Different dreams, different journeys, but one decision changed everything.
Ever since, gusto ko na talaga maging nurse.
Scholar po ako ng Commission on Higher Education.
Successful is equivalent to contentment.
Pag nakagraduate ka, may lisensya ka, makatrabaho ka kagad.
Dalawang buhay, ang buhay ng nanay at pati ang buhay ng baby.
Producing quality frontliners since 1987.
Our institution has been existing for more or less 38 years.
5 graduates, 5 different parts, 1 institution.
Nagtapos po ako bilang isang cum laude, and also I am awarded with the Best in Pre-Service Teacher.
Currently, I am the Dean of College of Radiologic Technology.
Ako yung chapter president ng Philippine Association of Medical Technologies, Cotabato, Maguindanao chapter.
Sa ngayon, nagtatrabaho ng 12 years na dito sa Doc Suites Maternal Care and Lying-in Clinic bilang clinic manager ni Doc Suite.
Kasalukuyan, ako po ay nagtatrabaho bilang isang registered nurse sa isang pampublikong hospital.
When education is built on preparation, dreams become professions.
As early as nung second year po kami, no, in-expose na po talaga kami sa community.
So second year pa lang, in-expose na kami. So pinapastart na kami ma-expose sa yung real world talaga ng medtech.
Hindi ka pinapabayaan, hindi kayo iniiwan lang sa ere na, o ito, bahala na kayo, estudyante kayo.
Pinadala kami sa mga malalaking hospitals, malalaking cities.
We are guided by our core values: service, enthusiasm, love, and faith.
This is not just education. This is preparation for the real world.
Kung ano ako ngayon is dahil yun sa alma mater ko.
Na-inspired ko yung mga bata na mag-aral dito sa Dr. P. Ocampo.
Na huwag kang susuko dahil marami ka pang maaabot.
Fulfillment ko yung makatulong sa kapwa, sa community, at the same time sa pamilya na rin.
Ito yung isa sa nakita ko na strength ng Dr. P. Ocampo Colleges Incorporated. Yung papaano ihanda yung kanilang mga estudyante, yung kanilang mga graduates para sa board exam.
If you are looking for a school that prepares you not only to graduate, but to serve, lead, and succeed, your story can begin here.
To the parents who have been with us and the students from generation to generation, please consider our school again this coming school year. We have been producing top-notchers since our conception. We are here also to guide all the students so that we will be your partners in your professional life later on. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all the parents as well as the students who came to this institution and made a name for themselves. Thank you very much.